planning for this bypass for a long number of years, actually since it went into the development plan. Some people feel that a bypass town is at a disadvantage, but from all the reports and studies that have been done on bypass towns that have examined, Ross has the critical mass. As we're developing it, it will become a destination town. It has great history. We're improving the public realm, the infrastructure, the access within the bypass route. But it's an opportunity that has to be grasped by everybody in the town. It has to be grasped by the chamber, the business people, the retailers, the elected members and ourselves. It won't just happen unless we take this opportunity and run with it. The key feature is undoubtedly the bridge. That will be the wow factor. So if we take it from Glenmore, it comes from the Pink Rock or the town on the Ballyvernine on the Kilkenny side, across to Stokestown and Dunganstown on the New Ross Wexford side. And I suppose just to put the bridge in context, it will be the longest bridge at almost 900 metres in all of Ireland, north or south. Unlikely for that record to be broken anytime soon, because I don't think there's any plans to bridge any river of that magnitude in future. And just for people to know, New Ross, it will be approximately 5 times longer than the Michael O'Hanrahan Bridge in the centre of New Ross. So that just kind of gives people an idea of the actual length of the bridge. Then it swings across around New Ross to about 2 kilometres beyond the existing roundabout at Kent's Cross and over to Corcoran's Cross on the N30. And what it does, it brings New Ross closer to all the main centres of population, and it's been shown that employment follows national road or motorway access. So with the access that this road and bypass gives to New Ross, we have definite travel times, shorter travel times, fewer hold-ups. So Ross, in my opinion, becomes a hugely attractive centre for inward investment and growth. Signage is absolutely crucial, and in a lot of bypass schemes, it's the element that's given the least amount of attention. But when a town's been bypassed, the signage has to be correct, has to be easy to read, easy to follow. So in the case of the New Ross bypass, I met with Transport Infrastructure Ireland, Fault Ireland, and we've spent the last 2 years tweaking the signage so that it's absolutely correct for New Ross. It's on every single approach to New Ross. And as well as that, in the national context, Ross has been recognised as an absolutely essential part of the latest Fault Ireland, Ireland's Ancient East. And we have many schemes that highlight New Ross. So from a tourist point of view and a destination point of view, I think it's really well catered for this time. But I think the bypass in particular and all the work that has flown from the bypass means that the future of New Ross, in my opinion, is great. It actually ties in the whole district. Again, I say with the signage, the amount of investment that's coming to New Ross because of the bypass is phenomenal. The amount of investment that has gone in the last 2 years and is due to go in over the next 2 years before the bypass opens runs to tens of millions, indeed hundreds of millions. The bypass itself is an investment of 250 million in the area. So this is the greatest opportunity that Ross and the district will have to put itself on the map and attract tourism, attract inward investment, and still be an absolutely lovely place to live.